Dinosaurs ruled the land, living out another ordinary day, hunting, grazing, surviving. But above them, unseen, a massive asteroid raced toward Earth. In an instant, everything changed. The world's fate was sealed. This is the story of the day the dinosaurs' world ended. Before the asteroid's arrival, Earth was a vastly different place, a world dominated by dinosaurs. These magnificent creatures had reigned supreme for over 150 million years. They came in creatures of every size imaginable, from chicken-sized runners, quick and agile, to giants like Argentinosaurus, one of the largest land animals to ever walk the earth. These plant eaters grazed on treetops, their long necks allowing them to reach the highest branches. They shaped the landscape with their immense appetites, while predators like Tyrannosaurus rex, the apex predators of their time, hunted along ancient coastlines, their powerful jaws and sharp teeth a terror to behold. The world was warmer. A balmy, tropical climate prevailed with no polar ice caps to be found, and lush forests grew everywhere, teeming with life. Strange plants, giant ferns unlike anything we see today, and early flowering trees filled the landscape, adding splashes of color to the green world. North America was split by a vast inland sea, a waterway that divided the continent, with dinosaurs roaming its shores, leaving their footprints in the sand. In the oceans, giant reptiles like mosasaurs dominated, powerful predators of the deep. Hunting fish and even other marine reptiles, a constant struggle for survival beneath the waves. Above, pterosaurs soared, masters of the prehistoric skies, some with wingspans as wide as small airplanes casting shadows over the land below. Life thrived in water, on land and in the air, a complex and interconnected web of existence, a world of giants, a testament to the power of evolution. Dinosaurs were not in decline, as some theories once suggested. They were diverse and successful, the undisputed rulers of the planet, perfectly adapted to their environment. New fossil finds show they were thriving, not fading away, painting a picture of a vibrant and flourishing ecosystem. Life seemed strong and permanent, an enduring force of nature. But the universe had other plans. A cosmic intervention was on its way. A random, catastrophic event hurtling through space towards Earth was about to reset evolution, changing the course of life on Earth forever. The morning of the impact, the world was stable and full of life, unaware of the impending doom. No creature suspected the end was near, the calm before the storm. The stage was set for disaster, the players in place for a tragedy of epic proportions. The world of giants was about to vanish, wiped away in an instant, and nothing would ever be the same. The world would be forever altered. Far out in the vast expanse of space beyond our familiar celestial neighbors, an enormous, mountain-sized asteroid was silently hurtling through the cosmos, unknowingly on a collision course with Earth. This colossal space rock was approximately 10 kilometers wide, a truly immense object by any standard. It was traveling at an astonishing speed, faster than 40 rifle bullets fired simultaneously. Its journey began far away, originating from the chaotic asteroid belt, a region teeming with rocky debris. Millions of years before its fateful encounter with Earth, it was subtly nudged onto a deadly, irreversible path. For eons, it drifted silently and invisibly through the cold, dark void of space, a cosmic wanderer. Eventually it came close enough that Earth's powerful gravity began to exert its influence, inexorably pulling it in. On that fateful, unimaginable day, it blazed through the Earth's protective atmosphere, creating a spectacular and terrifying sight. The meteor glowed with intense heat, burning brighter than the sun itself, an omen of impending doom. The dinosaurs below, thriving in their prehistoric world, had absolutely no idea what cataclysmic event was about to unfold. The asteroid possessed an unimaginable amount of kinetic energy, an unstoppable force hurtling towards the planet. The atmosphere, despite its protective qualities, was utterly powerless to slow its descent. In a matter of seconds, it would strike the Earth with a force beyond human comprehension. The impact site was located in what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, a seemingly ordinary place about to become ground zero. This area is now recognized as the Chicxulub crater, a scar on the Earth's surface from this ancient cataclysm. The crater itself is an astonishing sight, measuring over 100 miles in diameter, a testament to the sheer power of the impact. Though buried deep beneath layers of sediment, its presence has been revealed through scientific drilling and analysis. The rocks extracted from this site serve as the smoking gun, irrefutable evidence of the asteroid's devastating arrival. They provide clear and compelling evidence of a mass extinction event, a turning point in the history of life on Earth. The asteroid's arrival was sudden and unexpected, a cosmic surprise with devastating consequences. Its impact was not localized, its consequences were felt globally, reshaping the planet in profound ways. The world, as it was known, was on the precipice of a dramatic and irreversible transformation about to change forever. And for the dinosaurs, and indeed for the planet, the countdown to extinction had begun. The asteroid struck with the force of billions of atomic bombs. It hit a shallow sea, vaporizing water, rock, and itself in an instant. A blinding flash lit the sky, followed by a crater deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The impact triggered a tsunami hundreds of meters high, racing across oceans and flooding distant shores. Superheated rock and dust shot into the atmosphere, some even escaping into space. As debris rained back down, the sky glowed red, heating the air and ground to deadly temperatures. Wildfires ignited and the ground shook with the largest earthquake in Earth's history. The shock waves circled the globe, triggering more quakes and eruptions. In minutes, paradise became a vision of hell. For nearby dinosaurs, there was no escape. The world was forever changed in a single, violent moment. The falling debris ignited global wildfires, turning forests into infernos. Soot and charcoal and ancient rocks reveal the scale of these fires. Entire continents burned. The asteroid struck sulfur-rich rocks, sending toxic gases into the sky. Sulfur mixed with water creating acid rain that poisoned rivers, lakes, and oceans. A thick blanket of dust, soot, and sulfur blocked out sunlight, plunging the world into darkness. Without sunlight, plants and plankton died, collapsing the food chain. Herbivores starved, followed by the carnivores. The warm, sunny world became cold and dark, an impact winter. Temperatures plummeted and the planet froze. Fire, acid rain, and darkness combined in a deadly sequence. Life was pushed to the brink of extinction, the world was unrecognizable, the age of dinosaurs was ending, only the hardiest would survive, the planet was forever scarred. The darkness that followed was the next great killer. With sunlight blocked, Earth's temperature dropped by up to 25 degrees Celsius. Forests and plankton died, collapsing ecosystems on land and in the sea. Herbivorous dinosaurs starved first, followed by the carnivores. The largest animals, once dominant, were now the most vulnerable. The cold, dark winter lasted months with low light for years. As dust settled, sunlight slowly returned, but the world was empty and silent. The giants were gone. The reign of the dinosaurs ended not by slow decline but by a sudden, catastrophic winter. The survivors faced a changed planet. The world's biodiversity had been reset. The age of dinosaurs was over. A new era was about to begin. Life would have to start over. The impact, fires, acid rain, darkness, and cold triggered a mass extinction. 75% of all species vanished, including every non-avian dinosaur. The mighty sauropods, Triceratops, Ankylosaurus, and T-Rex, all gone. Marine reptiles and ammonites disappeared as ocean food chains collapsed. Pterosaurs, rulers of the skies, also vanished. The world became a ghost of its former self. Silent forests, empty oceans, clear skies. The great dying wiped the slate clean. It was one of the most significant moments in Earth's history. Life would never be the same. Yet 25% of species survived, ancestors of all life today. Most survivors were small, adaptable, and able to hide or burrow. Small mammals, once living in the dinosaur's shadow, now found new opportunities. Generalists, animals that could eat many foods, fared best. Crocodiles, turtles, frogs, and lizards survived by hiding or slowing their metabolism. In water, some fish and sharks endured. Most remarkably, some small, seed-eating, flying dinosaurs survived. The birds. Every bird today is a living dinosaur, a testament to survival and adaptation. With the giants gone, mammals diversified, evolving into bats, whales, primates, and eventually, us. The extinction cleared the way for new life to flourish. The survivors rebuilt the world. From disaster came opportunity. Evolution's next chapter had begun. The age of mammals was underway. The last days of the dinosaurs teach us that life on Earth is fragile. Even the most successful creatures can vanish in an instant. The KPG extinction shows how quickly the environment can change, and how devastating the consequences can be. Today, humans are changing the planet rapidly, putting pressure on many species. The past warns us, rapid change can lead to collapse. Yet life is resilient. After catastrophe, survivors adapt and evolve. The extinction of the dinosaurs made our own existence possible. If the asteroid had missed, mammals might never have risen. Understanding this story connects us to Earth's deep history, and reminds us to protect the delicate balance of life. The journey of life is long, complex, and sometimes violent, but always full of possibility.